What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Today I wanted to make a quick prop firm review on the Lucid Pro accounts. I ended up passing one of these today in literally like a minute. I'll show you guys the execution. So if you watch my like Insta and stuff like that, you see, and I posted this. I literally passed this account so quick. And you could see literally got the email, and then it's actually faster than 10 minutes. I did it faster than 10 minutes. This was just, I took a few minutes to activate the account. But I've never tried these pro accounts. I've always been into the Lucid Flex accounts, which I still think are their best accounts. But I think these are a different option, and I'm going to explain who they'd be for exactly and just the details on them. I'm going to go through them really quick. And just so you guys know, I have no affiliation with Lucid. I have no code, nothing like that. I just want to go through these accounts because I actually think they're solid. I already have a full video on the Lucid Flex account, so if you guys want to check that out, check this playlist, my prop firm playlist, and you'll see it in there. Those are the accounts that I've taken payouts on. I've taken a few payouts with Lucid, and I've had no issues with them. Been trading with them for a little bit, and everything's been solid with them. So I can vouch for them. And again, I have literally no affiliation with them. So today I wanted to do a video on the pros. All you have pretty much are the pros, the flex, the directs. I don't recommend because those are direct funding. I don't really do that. And then you have the maxes, which is after you go to the live account, but that's completely different. But for the pro accounts, you have 25Ks, you have 50Ks, you have 100Ks, and then you have the 150Ks. So the reason I bought this was because today, I didn't really see any trades I wanted to take on my fundeds, and I was like, why not try to one trade pass and eval? I was like, why not? I've never tried these pro accounts, so I decided to pick one up. And this is the thing, and this is the reason why I like these, because you can literally one day pass them. Now I'm going to go through the rules on them. I'm going to look at the 50Ks because that's mainly what I trade. But if you guys want a cheaper one, obviously you can use the 25Ks, right? So it's really going to depend what you like. So with the code, this is going to run cheaper. I think it's actually a little bit cheaper than this. Let me type it in with the code. Actually, wait, no, I won't do that just in case it's show. Here, one sec. Okay, yeah, these numbers are right then. So you're getting them for 94 bucks, 130. I just didn't want my credit card to show up. I thought I was going to. So I'll look at the 50Ks. We'll look at the 25Ks. The 100 to the 150Ks are a little bit more pricey. I don't feel like a lot of people will be doing that, but maybe they will. But I'll go through these 50Ks for you guys and explain why I like these. So basically you're paying $130, but Lucid usually does more sales, so you probably will find them cheaper. Obviously they are more pricey than the Flex. You can see the Flex are 98 and then these are 130, so it's an extra like 30 something dollars, 32 bucks. And basically it's a 3K profit target, $2,000 max loss limit. Obviously it's pretty standard. End of day drawdown on the eval. And there is a $1,200 daily loss limit on the 50Ks, but you can use up to 4 minis. And what the good part is you can pass them. There's no activation fee, and you can pass them in one day. Now, if we look at the 25Ks, I think these are the actual best, in my opinion. Reason being, you only need to make 1250 to pass. You have $1,000 max loss limit. So if you actually do the math, it's actually better. You have end of day drawdown. There's no daily loss limit, and you can use still 2 minis. So you can easily pass this in one trade if you want. And again, this is not for a beginner. I'm not saying to go and full port your evals, but I'm saying if you're somebody who wants to get back onto funded as fast as possible, this is very, very doable. Again, it is a little bit more pricey, obviously, compared to the Flex. But if you are willing to throw down a bit more money, these are something you could pass one day if you're somebody who just hates evals. Again, no activation fee, and you can pass in one day. So let's go and look at the funded rules for both of these really quick, okay? So for this, for the 25K, I'll do, because I think these, like I said, these are probably your best discount. These ones, if you're going to go for the 50Ks, you might as well just probably go for the Flex, but I think they're both good anyway. $250 is min payout, $1,000 daily loss or max loss limit on the funded, which is pretty standard. As you can see, 40% consistency, so you can take 3 days to get a payout. So basically, this is so if you guys know the alpha zeros, you need 40% consistency, but you need 5 days. These are only 3, so I believe the top step consistency accounts are the same thing as this, where you only need 3 days. I'm pretty sure. I haven't used those ones. But yeah, you only need the 3 days. If you could take, so for example, let's say you take $500, $500, you make the 40% consistency, and you're good to take the payout. Now, if you go to the daily loss limit, we could see it goes above the initial trail, 60% on the the 50Ks. But honestly, if you're somebody who wants to get unfunded as fast as possible, you want a 1 day pass and you want a quick path to a payout, like I said, you can literally get a payout in 3 days. Is that guaranteed? No, you can obviously have a losing day in between. But if you wait patiently for setups and you want to get onto funded as fast as possible and you want an easy path to payouts, I think these are solid accounts. I'm going to be trading them probably sometime next week. I'm going to get to them. I have a few accounts I'm working on at the moment, but I'll probably get to these sometime next week. But if you're somebody who hates evals, because you got to think about a lot of the times with evals, you'll half pass the eval, and then on the second half you will end up blowing it. So a lot of the times I personally love 1 day pass evals. Now every prop firm has something different to offer, so there are times where, you know what I mean, I like the rules of a funded next account even though it has the consistency on the eval. I like the rules of a top step account even though it has the consistency on an eval. But sometimes it's nice to just add to the stack, add some evals where I can pass them in 1 day, and it's just easier. Like, it's easier to get back onto your fundeds. If you want to get some fundeds quick, you can get onto these. And again, 40% consistency on the funded, but you can get a payout in 3 days. You don't need the 5 winning days like you do with other props, right? So I think these are good accounts to add into the bag. They are a little bit more pricey. Again, I always think that the flex are the better ones. But if you want to try something different, you like passing evals in 1 day, I do think these are good accounts. If you want to give the 25Ks a shot, even, I don't see a problem with that. You could like try these out and see what you think of them. But yeah, the 150Ks do get a little bit more pricey, obviously, compared to, like, if we look at the 150K flex. Um, oh wait, are they around the same? Oh, maybe they're around the same right now. Oh, these are on way more sale. Okay, yeah, never mind. Um, Let me look. Okay, yeah. Anyway, I don't even trade the 150Ks, but anyway, let me know what you guys think of these accounts. If you guys trade them, what you guys think. Again, I'm going to be trying these ones. I've always been with the flex, but something to try if you like just getting rid of your evals as fast as possible. I think it's a good idea. Yeah, but if you're willing to spend that little extra money. But anyway, it's it from you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll be back with more prop firm videos soon. Let me know what ones you guys want me to talk about. And that's it for me. Talk to you guys later. Peace.